Are you looking for the best 3D printer for work and home use? In this video, we will look at some of the best 3D printers for work and home use on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. An iCubic Chiron Auto Leveling High Quality Printer. Printing Technology, FDM, Fused Deposition Modeling. Build size, 400mm 400mm 450mm. Print accuracy: 0.05 to 0.3mm. Positioning accuracy, X, Y 0.0125mm, Z 0.0020mm. Extruder quantity, single. Nozzle diameter, 0.4mm. Print speed, 20-100mm per second. Travel speed, 60mm per second. Supported materials, PLA, ABS, HIPS, wood, TPU. Temperature: ambient operating temperature, 8 superscripto C, 40 superscripto C. Operational extruder temperature, max 260 superscripto C. Operational print bed temperature, 100 superscripto C. Software: Slicer software, Cura, Simplify 3D, Repetier host. Software input formats: STL, OBJ, JPG, PNG. Software output formats: code. Connectivity: memory card, data cable. Electrical input rating: 110 volts/220 volts AC, 50/60 Hz. Physical dimensions: printer dimensions, 651mm 612mm 720mm. Package size: 740mm 660mm 255mm. Net weight: 15 kg.
Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Number 2. An iCubic Mega Pro Laser Engraving 3D Printer. Technical specification: 3D printing, printing technology, FDM, fused deposition modeling. Build volume, 210 times 210 times 205 cubic millimeters. Layer resolution, 0.05 to 0.3 millimeters. Positioning accuracy, X, Y minus 0.0125 millimeters semicolon Z minus 0.002 millimeters. Extruder quantity, single. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 millimeters. Print speed, 20-100 millimeters per second. Suggested 60 millimeters per second. Travel speed, 100 millimeters per second. Supported materials, PLA, TPU, etc. Ambient operating temperature, 8 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Operational extruder temperature, max 260 degrees Celsius. Laser engraving, image format, BMP. Engraving size, 220 times 140 square millimeters. Engraving mode, bitmap. Pixel size, 0.05 to 0.4 millimeters. Suggested 0.1 millimeters. Recommended laser intensity, brown paper minus 15% semicolon wood minus 25%. Laser height, 1 to 100 millimeters opening parenthesis suggested 50 millimeters closing parenthesis. Mirror image, the default value is recommended. Rated power, 1500 MW. Supported materials, leather, paper, wood, etc. Software, Slicer software, Cura, software input formats, STL, OBJ, .die, AMF, software output formats, code. Connectivity, SD card, USB cable. Expert users only. Electrical, input rating, 110 volts to 220 volts AC, 50/60 Hz. Physical dimensions, printer dimensions, 405 by 410 by 453 cubed. Weight, 15 kilograms. Number 3. Creality LD002H LCD Resin 3D Printer. Features, 1620 times 2560 HD resolution with high print precision. 2K HD monochrome screen. The curing time of the model is 14s/layer, which speeds up 10% compared with similar printers. Equipped with a UV integrated light source and upgraded transmission system, the light source reaches 8000 U/cm2. Stable light source decides the higher print success rate. The precision Z-axis linear rail ensures that every tiny movement of Z-axis is accurate under the strict requirements of XY-axis high precision. Air filtering system with activated carbon. Activated carbon can effectively reduce the emission of odor from resin and give you a comfortable environment. Manually leveling system simplifies leveling process. 3.5-inch full-color touch screen. A simple UI interface can monitor real-time printing information. Easy to operate. Molding size 130 x 80 to 160 mm realizes the larger printing space and gives you more choices. Widely used in toy, architecture, furniture, education, medical, jewelry, daily necessities and other fields. Number 4. Voxelab Aquila V2 DIY Kit 3D Printer. Brand name, Voxelab. Model number, Voxelab Aquila V2. Origin, CN Origins. Certification, yes. Consumables diameter, 1.75. Printing speed, 30 to 60 mm/s sped. Temp, 100 slice. Thickness, 0.1 mm to 0.4 mm. Language, Chinese, English. Maximum printing speed, 180 mm/s. Interface type, USB. Filament, Plaslice. Software, Cura, Simplify 3D/Voxelmaker. Power supply, AC 115 230 volt, 50/60 maximum. Working speed, 180 mm/s. Precision, 0.2 mm. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Operating system, Win7/10, Masa file. Format, STL, OBJ, AMFNO, diameter, 0.4 auto. Leveling, no maximum print size, 220 x 220 x 250. Number 5. Voxelab Proxima 6.0 inches Monochrome LCD 3D printer.
Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.